Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to build a wealth-generating machine that works for you? In this video, we'll dive into the proven strategies for passive income growth in 2025. From dividend investing to real estate investing, and from creating and selling online courses to affiliate marketing, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you'll learn actionable tips and insights to help you achieve financial freedom. So, if you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building a passive income stream, watch this video until the end and start growing your wealth today. Join me as I take on the challenge of implementing proven strategies for passive income growth in 2025, and let's see how much I can really make. Passive income is a financial concept that has gained significant traction in recent years, offering individuals the opportunity to build wealth and achieve financial independence. At its core, passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal ongoing effort, often derived from investments, assets, or systems established upfront. Unlike traditional income sources that require consistent labor, passive income streams work continuously, even when you're not actively involved. The importance of passive income lies in its potential to provide financial stability and freedom. By diversifying income streams and reducing dependence on a single paycheck, passive income empowers individuals to weather economic uncertainties and pursue their goals without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. It creates the freedom to focus on personal passions, explore entrepreneurial endeavors, or simply enjoy more leisure time with loved ones. Building passive income streams can be a transformative step toward financial security, offering a pathway to long-term wealth accumulation and greater control over your financial future. By understanding and leveraging strategies to create passive income, individuals can break free from the cycle of trading time for money and pave the way to true financial freedom. Generating passive income is an appealing goal, but it comes with its own set of challenges that can make the process daunting for many. One of the most significant obstacles is market volatility. Investments like stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, often key avenues for passive income, are subject to fluctuations in value. Market downturns can lead to reduced returns or even losses, making it difficult for individuals to rely on these income streams without proper risk management. Another common challenge is the lack of knowledge and expertise. Many people are unfamiliar with the strategies required to establish and maintain passive income streams effectively. For example, understanding how to invest in dividend-paying stocks, manage rental properties, or create digital products can seem overwhelming without prior experience or education. This knowledge gap often leads to hesitation, poor decision-making, or missed opportunities. Time and upfront effort can also be barriers. While passive income is designed to be hands-off in the long term, establishing these streams often requires a significant initial investment of time, money, and resources. For example, creating an online course or building an affiliate marketing business takes careful planning and execution, which can deter those who expect immediate results. Many face the challenge of managing their expectations. Passive income rarely starts as a substantial source of revenue and may take months or even years to grow. This gradual process can lead to frustration or abandonment of the effort if individuals are not prepared for the long-term commitment required. Overcoming these challenges involves a combination of education, strategic planning, and patience. With the right mindset and resources, individuals can navigate these hurdles and set themselves up for sustainable passive income success. Achieving passive income growth requires a thoughtful approach and the right strategies tailored to your goals, skills, and resources. Investing in financial markets is one of the most common ways to generate passive income. Dividend stocks, purchasing shares in companies that pay dividends, allows you to earn a portion of their profits regularly. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate growth through compounding. Bonds, government or corporate bonds, provide interest payments over time, offering a steady and low-risk income stream. Index funds and ETFs, these investment vehicles provide diversified exposure to the market with minimal management effort, generating returns through appreciation and dividends. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow individuals to invest in real estate without owning physical properties, offering consistent dividends backed by rental income. Real estate is a time-tested strategy for building passive income, with options ranging from hands-on to fully automated. Rental properties, purchasing residential or commercial properties and leasing them out, can generate steady cash flow. Hiring property managers can make this process more passive. Short-term rentals platforms like Airbnb allow property owners to earn higher returns by catering to short-term renters. Real estate crowdfunding. For a hands-off approach, you can invest in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms and earn a share of the profits. The digital world offers limitless potential for passive income through scalable, automated systems. Promoting products or services through affiliate programs allows you to earn commissions on sales made through your unique referral links. Advertising revenue. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetizing it through ads can provide consistent income as your audience grows. E-commerce. Dropshipping or selling print-on-demand products lets you run an online store without holding inventory, with most processes handled by third-party suppliers. Royalties. Licensing intellectual property, such as music, books, or software, allows you to earn royalties with minimal ongoing involvement. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending money through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper can generate returns through interest payments. Automated side businesses. Investing in vending machines, ATMs, or car washes can yield passive income with minimal maintenance. Digital products. Creating ebooks, online courses, or stock photography can generate recurring income as customers purchase your products. In 2025, digital products and online content creation are poised to dominate passive income growth. This trend is driven by the increasing accessibility of technology and the expanding global digital economy. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, and stock photos, requires an initial investment of time and effort but can yield ongoing revenue with minimal maintenance. The scalability of digital products allows creators to reach a vast audience without the limitations associated with physical goods. Online content creation, including blogging, podcasting, and YouTube channels, offers monetization opportunities through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As internet penetration deepens and content consumption rises, creators can build substantial passive income streams by consistently delivering valuable content. Market growth. The global e-learning market, encompassing online courses, is projected to reach $325 billion by 2025, indicating a robust demand for digital educational content. Mighty Networks. Content consumption platforms like YouTube have reported over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, highlighting the vast potential audience for content creators. Mighty Networks' digital products eliminate the costs associated with physical inventory and distribution. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. The internet enables creators to access a worldwide audience, enhancing income potential. The ease of entry has led to increased competition. Therefore, offering unique and high-quality content is essential. Effective promotion is crucial to stand out and attract customers in a crowded digital marketplace. The convergence of technological advancements and shifting consumer behaviors positions digital products and online content creation as leading strategies for passive income growth in 2025. By diversifying across multiple strategies, you can mitigate risks and create a robust portfolio of passive income streams. Success requires an initial investment of time, effort, or capital, but with consistency and smart management, these strategies can pave the way to sustainable financial growth. By leveraging these opportunities, individuals can build scalable and sustainable income streams in the evolving digital landscape. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite passive income strategy, or which one are you most excited to try? Share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see your ideas. And if you're ready to dive deeper into building sustainable income streams, check out our next video.